Hello everyone, friends on Kalewala. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up for GTA 5. To do this, we will need to go to any browser. Here we write Rockstar Games. You can use a launcher, yes. Go to the website. Click here and click the Register button. Enter your date of birth. Click Next. Enter your email address for registration. Coming up with a password. Let's come up with a nickname. Select the language like country or region and click Next. Enter the code that will be sent to your email here. Well then, all that remains is the privacy setting. Yes, you can skip it to begin with, that's it. And you created an account. Then just use it, that's all. Waller was with you. Subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.